Hi and welcome to the workshop. We're going to make a clamp rack for my clamps. The storage of them is not very good. They're just around there in the corner and they're a nightmare to get out when I want them. I can't just quickly grab them. It's mainly for my Bessey clamps. I've got 8 of these ones. These ones are 600 millimeters long. I've got 12 Bessey clamps that are 1 meter long. So we're going to make something really simple to hold these Bessey clamps. Yeah, so let's think of a design. Okay. I don't use SketchUp, I can't draw very well, so we'll have to make this up as we go and we'll come up with something and hopefully it should work. Fingers crossed. 300 by 300 square. Square that down there. Draw a line again. Yes, Johnny. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so we've now got one backing board. I'm just so clever sometimes. I amaze myself. I'm so wonderful. Oh, I don't need to sand them, do I? Spread it out. Yep. Ain't got to be perfect, is it? It's just a rack clamp. It's just a rack clamp. It's just a clamp rack. It's not a fine piece of furniture. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slightly smaller screw down the bottom. Oh. Oh. That screw's head's knackered. Hey, there's the first one. Clamp cloth. Let's get that glue up there, that out there. That's it. Straighten that up. Oh yeah. So that is going to be it, like that. Do the clamps fit? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Now I just got to repeat that all along there. Okay, so now I'll put the first two on. I know the spacings that I need. I know how much this side. I know how much it sticks out this side as well. So now I know those measurements. I've marked out the back. It's not very good, is it? Maybe I should plan before I start a project to maybe do a little sketch. And I've just realised one thing, I've made a mistake, I need to do it all again. I didn't take into account something. I've now done the marking out, as you can see, it's really neat, really tidy, really easy to follow. That is a piece of art, my marking out. All we need to do now is drill the pilot holes. Make sure that's square to the edge there. Yes, that is perfectamo. That's perfect. Let's screw the other screws. It screws and it unscrews. That's the last bracket that's fitted. Let's just remove the glue. Remove the squeeze out. Using my straw. Maybe I could sell these glue removers. So there you go, the brackets are on there. Next thing I need to do is sort out where I want this shelf to go on here. Yeah, I need to figure that out next. So what we're going to do, cut a shelf, and it's going to come all the way out to nearly the front, or to the front, and then we'll cut an angle piece here like that to support it. Want the shelf to come out that, which we know is 250. So it's 250 wide by, of course, whatever this was long, and I can't remember. So that's 810. Okay, the shelf's going to go on here. Not on there, obviously. It's going to go up there like that. So we need to find the height for that. We want the shelf slightly above that. So we're going to do it 85mm down from the top. So then we want to mark the center line where we're going to drill. So 85 minus 9, 76. We'll mark 76 down on the back, draw a line, and that's where we're going to attach it. 76mm. There. We'll draw a line along there. Oh, I can't see. Oh, it's so frustrating, struggling for room in this workshop. 76, there it is. Then we need some support brackets there to hold it up. Under that. Okay, and now attach this one to there. Okay, there we go, one shelf made. Okay, drill some pilot holes in this. Give them a quick sand down to take off the breakout. Put that on there, put that on there. Get that nicely on the end there, lined up. So there we have it, guys. There's my clamp rack with a shelf on top. Let's get this on the wall, get some clamps on it, and then they'll be off the floor and I won't be tripping up them. Now let's put the clamps on. Oh yeah, look at that. So there we have it, guys. My Bessey clamp wrap is up. Fortunately, it's wide enough to fit all of my Bessey clamps. I've currently got 20 Bessey clamps, some 600s, I've got 8 600s, and I've got 12 1000s, I think they are. Yeah, 1 meters. And I've got the accessories on the top there. So really happy with that. Didn't take long to build. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you back to my workshop soon. It'd be really good if you can give it a thumbs up if you like the video, or a thumbs down even if you don't. If you make a comment below, I will respond to your comments. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. I look forward to welcoming you all back soon.